Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Lagos State HR account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the search box, type in Lagos State HR login and start your search. Now from the search results, click on the first link which says lagosstate.gov.ng and you can also find a login button. Once you click on this, you will directly be taken into the login portal. Now enter your email address or your employee number within the email address section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Lagos State HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Lagos State HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.